Water is the most abundant natural resource on the planet, but it is at the same time scarce and rare. Even though this element covers 3/4 of the globe, 97.5% is saltwater and is found in oceans. The remaining 2.5% is considered as fresh water. Out of this small percentage, 70% is found on glaciers and continental ice caps. This means that all the water in our lakes, rivers, reservoirs, and underground sources, which is accessible to humans, only makes up 0.8% of total global water. Climate change, pollution, demographic growth, infrastructure needs, and water uses are some of the current problems that exist in the world and will define water availability in the future. Since the creation of the first residential water tank as an innovation solution to store water, Rotoplas has had a great impact, both culturally and in terms of water management technology. Today, with more than 35 years of experience, the company has based its growth strategy on innovations in water solutions, thus revolutionizing markets. Rotoplas has evolved from providing individual water solutions, such as residential water tanks and cisterns, to also providing integrated solutions, such as rainwater harvesting systems. These systems contribute to solve water scarcity by collecting and storing rainwater for immediate or future use. The RHS solves in a practical and economical way the basic daily water needs of a family.
Pues nosotros tenemos un pozo hasta allá abajo y a veces cargamos con nuestra comitita o a veces en burros en ánfora lo llenamos y lo íbamos a traerlo pues tempranito. Pero ahorita con eso Rotoplas que nos dio, pues eso vamos a almacenar agua suficiente.
Outdoor composting bathrooms. These systems solve sanitation problems by providing simple and sustainable solutions to areas that lack sewage infrastructure by processing human waste in order to improve the life quality of families and to minimize the impact on the environment.
Antes era muy complicado para ir al baño, pues cuando había en tiempos de maíz nos íbamos a las milpas o en los magueyes.
Water fountains for schools. These integrated solutions have a cultural impact by incentivizing water consumption in kids and teenagers so they can grow and develop in a healthy way. Recently, in the October 18, 2014 publication, the well-respected magazine The Economist outlined how rainwater harvesting systems in northeastern Brazil helped cutting chronic poverty. In September, the United Nations Food and Agricultural Organization erased Brazil from its World Hunger Map.
A chegada da água na casa das pessoas teve um impacto socioeconômico incrível, por exemplo, em educação. Hoje, as crianças frequentam a escola efetivamente 5 vezes por semana. Antes da chegada da cisterna, elas frequentavam entre 3 e 4 vezes.
Latin America faces great water challenges in the near future. Scarcity of water, a lack of infrastructure, increasing demand, and the fact that currently 40 million people are without access to safe drinking water, and more than 120 million are without access to any sanitation. These problems are increasing due to Latin America's increasing population and also the migration from rural areas to urban areas, where water consumption is 4 times larger. There is also a problem of water pollution in the region. It is estimated that almost 72% of wastewater in Latin America is untreated and returns to effluent bodies of water. This is very serious, taking into consideration important economic activities in the region, such as mining and agriculture. Rotoplas has achieved its success by designing and providing, in an outstanding manner, water solutions that solve specific regional problems, such as the lack of steady water flow to the population due to the lack of infrastructure. Rotoplas is present in 12 countries in America. This, plus the company's innovational leadership, places Rotoplas among the most important water companies. Mexico, Guatemala, Honduras, Belize, Nicaragua, El Salvador, Costa Rica, Argentina, Peru, Brazil, Ecuador, and USA. Rotoplas has demonstrated that it is a company with an innovative and global vision that directly tackles water issues, improving the lives, health, and well-being of consumers. Rotoplas enables a more sustainable relationship with water that provides a better future for generations to come. Water issues and problems will continue to be a great challenge for humanity, but the development and implementation of water solutions depends on us. Rotoplas is a pure-play company in the water sector, very well positioned to benefit from a $600 billion market that is growing at a 7% CAGR.